The topic of this video is creating a discussion in a Canvas course. I'm currently logged in as an instructor and I've clicked on my discussions button. I currently have no discussions in this view. To start one, I click on Start One Now. I am able to put in a topic title, any kind of directions for what should be discussed. I am able to go to a great feature called the Public Collections, where I could search for a video or a reading or activity that I want them to participate in before they complete this discussion. I'm going to go back up to YouTube at the top and search for bulldogs. It helps if I spell it right. I'm going to go do Bob the Bulldog Life of the Day. So I'm going to have students, this embeds it directly into the discussion forum direction space. I'm going to have students watch that and give them some directions for replying. I'm going to give a start and end time frame for the discussion that I would fill in if I had specific dates. I could also attach a file if I wanted them to do a reading or any other additional work as part of the discussion. I can allow them to have threaded replies, so they can reply to replies. I can also require that users must post before seeing replies. And I can use this for grading. By using it for grading, I am asked to enter a point value, and I can categorize what assignment group this is in. It's going to default to assignments even though it's a discussion, and we'll talk in a later training about how you can add multiple assignment groups. And of course you can select a due date. Once all of that's complete, I can click Save. Before I do so, I want to also draw your attention to the fact that you can also link to your files from in this discussion space. So if you want to give them a reading or something that's in your file cabinet, this is where you'd access it. And you can also search for images or use an image that's in your files. Once I'm done, I go ahead and click Save. And here's my discussion. My directions would be on top. Here's the video I'm requiring them to complete. And this lets them know when they need to complete the discussion by. They're going to be alerted that it's a graded discussion. I can go in and edit these settings at any time and also use a speed grading feature or a rubric to help grade these quickly. When someone wants to post, they click into the reply box and are able to type a response and post that response. If someone replies, it'll be a threaded response because I chose that option, and here you see the indent for the threading. Notice also that students can use that same collection public collections option to record content. They can attach a file as part of their discussion if they wanted to submit a reading or longer text. They could also choose to upload or record media as part of their discussion. So for anyone who was previously using a Wimba type feature to do a voice board, here you can do voice boards or video boards, and you just go through the normal discussion setup process. So that's the overall of the discussion feature.